wanna show you that I care, but I don't have the nerve. I wanna say I love you, but I can't find the words. I wish that you could know how I really felt all of this time. But no matter what I do, you can't see the sign.
Was an average teen. He partied often and he sagged his jeans. Sat in the very back of the class so he can nap and dream and fantasize about the girl he was obsessed with, the one who stole his heart and always kept it. Ever since the 7th grade, she was always standing in the center stage. Every time he tried to talk to her, she would just step away. She never spoke to him, it didn't matter, cause Billy never liked the chit-chat. So what if a little passive? To him she was attractive. He could sense a massive personality perfectly by the way she acted. She wrote poems for the paper every month. There was the lines on the page that had him falling in love, but he never told his friends. They would say that he was crazy, so no one ever found out that Billy liked Amy. He just gracefully endured being blatantly ignored, but sooner or later Billy wouldn't take it anymore.
I wanna show you